Hey guys, Norm with the Bearable Traders. It is Wednesday, May 8th, 2019. Quick recap for today, one and done. Yesterday we had a massive sell-off on trade news, and so I was looking to see if things would bounce. When we were doing the pre-market show, I guess the president tweeted something about China coming here to make a deal, so who knows what'll pan out. It could change in the next, while we're doing this recap. But SPY started pulling back up. NVDA sold off really hard yesterday. I had two trades yesterday, one on Apple that was break even, and another one that was another trade that was I got stopped out. So it was just a nondescript day after my previous nice day. But NVIDIA, one of the trade I tried on a bounce is NVIDIA, and it was garbage. Thank God I got out of it. So it sold off below the 50 moving average on the daily here, and it bounced. I had this daily level from right here back in March when it found support back at this point, 171.52. Like Andrew says, these levels are magic. Look exactly what the low of the day was. On the penny, 171.52 from that day level of previous support from late March. So anyway, so at the open, like I said, we'd come off the lows a little bit. I saw it sell off. It held these moving averages, was holding the moving averages on the 5. Once it broke through that 50, I guess, on the 5, is when I went ahead and took it long at 172. What was it? There's a bit of a spread in NVIDIA. 172.32. I believe was my entry on, or 25, 172.32, apologies. So anyway, so then I had this other level, which was 2 days ago low, and I let it break through that. Momentum slowed just a little bit. It also was this big moving average on the 5, which I took some off as it crossed that. There was a little pullback, but it held VWAP, held these levels, and then started to go even stronger. You can also see, check the volume here, had decreased volume, and then on the up candles, it had increased volume, and then the sell-off pullback here was low volume, and then as it started to run, the volume started to ramp back up. So my final target on that was 176. Since that coincides with the 50 moving average on the daily, I thought that might be either where we topped out or have a good place to get to. And as you can see, it's very, very close to that. I don't know that it's touched it yet. It might try to test it again, but it'll have a tough time getting through that today after the big run to begin with. So anyway, that's my one and done trade for the day. I want to remind everybody, Andrew's going to be in Dallas. We're going to have a meetup here May 19th. Moxie's Uptown, 5 o'clock. You don't have to be a member to come. Come let us buy you a beer. And then in Austin the next day on May 20th. I'm still waiting to confirm the location. So anyway, hope to see you there, and trade safe. Thanks for watching.